Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So here is your Walgreens preview for the week of the 12th to the 18th. And lots of great deals in this ad. The first thing that catches my eye are the Squishimals, and I'm wondering if Hello Kitty will be buy one, get one 50% off. Part of the weekly promotion, but I've looked at the math. You can track these down in store, $3.19 each, which is a crazy price. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe today, and it would really mean a lot to me. We are in week 2 of this booster of 20 back when you spend 60 on holiday merchandise. And where I was talking about the Hello Kitty stuff, if you might have this paper booster, that would be 29 back when you spend 60. So, I mean, if you are in desperate need of like gift wrap and stuff, this would be 50% back, which isn't the worst thing. And Squishimal, some of the items are going to be buy one, get one 50% off. It says accessories or slippers, but are the dolls or the stuffed toys going to be part of it? That's what I'm curious about. Because I did see these gorgeous, they're only 5 inches, but they're so cute. It's a Hello Kitty gingerbread and 5 inches tall, $5.99. So if that's part of it, but the parent company of this Squishimal is Sanrio, and they might not allow the buy one, get one 50% off. Sometimes for merchandise items, if it's not just like a Christmas tree or like something like a snowman, but an actual character like Pikachu or Hello Kitty. Sometimes they're not part of that, but they possibly might be, and we'll figure that out on Sunday. And I definitely need to get a couple of these for my Christmas tree. So cute. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad with all of the digital coupons for this week will be published on Sunday, November the 12th in the Walgreens ad. So just treat this video as a preview. So the first deal that we're going to look at is with the Garnier shampoo. Conditioner, we're looking for the Fructis or the whole blends. They are 2 for $8. We have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon plus a $3 reward when you buy 2 of them. So this one totally blows the spend 10 get back 3 out of the water. So grabbing 2 of the Garnier shampoos for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it 2 for $2 or $1 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this with a booster. And I'm kind of predicting we're not going to get a booster this week because that Christmas one of spend 60 get back 20 is still valid. So I'm thinking a no on that, but hopefully I'm wrong. The next deal is a freebie, and I love freebies. The $3 Crest mouth rinse, Oral-B, or the Crest toothpaste, priced at $3, and we have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon along with a $3 reward when you buy 2 of these. So if you're seeing what I'm seeing, that's called a freebie. So grabbing 2 of the Crest toothpaste, please make sure it's the $3 ones. That's 6 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $3. Get back a $3 register reward, making this free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this with no booster. And if you're anything like me, that you're getting these little Christmas baskets ready for family and friends, toothpaste is always something that I throw in. Now is the time to stock up on this free toothpaste. Now this next deal, I'm not sure how it's going to go, but it says up to $3 off, and it's for both the men and the women Dove body wash. So let's just grab 2 of them for $14, and let's hope that we get a $3 digital for each, but we're going to have to wait and see on Sunday what we get. But if it's a $3 off for each, you'll pay $8, get back that $4 register reward. Makes it 4 for the 2 or $2 each, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this with no booster. But that digital coupon up in the air, what are we going to get? And will Shop Me and have a comparable one? Then this deal will work perfectly. Now with the Pantene, $5 to $10, and we're going to have up to $5 off. That's typically a 5 off of 3. $4 store reward when you buy 2, or $4 register reward when you buy 2. It's on the same promotion as the Dove. So if you were going to do Pantene and Dove, 2 separate transactions to get those register rewards to print pourvu. Grabbing 3 of the cheapy Pantenes at $5 a pop, that's $15. Usually it's a 5 off of 3, but we're going to figure that out on Sunday morning, just predicting this. Pay $10, get back a $4 register reward. It makes it $6 for the 3 or $2 per shampoo. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to earn that $4 register reward. Okay, so this is back 4 for $10 for the various P&G laundry care products: Bounce, Downy, Gain, Tide Simply Laundry Care. So this spooky guy is expiring that week, so I have like one left, so I have to use it. So if I was going to grab a mix and match of these laundry care products, that's 10 on the nose. Subtract the $5 spooky and pay $5, or alternatively use $5 in Walgreens Cash because I don't have a booster. But use your spooky boosters because those are expiring pretty quick, and you want to buy P&G products to get them to scan successfully. So there's nothing too spooky happening there. How many times can we say spooky? But make it happen. Now let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first is this guy. $8 store reward when you buy a bronze shaver. Isn't there one for $24.99? And sometimes there's a digital coupon to go with. That's something to definitely keep an eye on Sunday morning for a cheap shaver. We have 50% off of the Russell Stouffer or Whitman samplers. Typically, those guys are $9.99, so you're paying $4.99 for some really nice chocolates. With Thanksgiving right around right around the corner, you might want to grab this as a hostess gift. $4.99. Use $5 in Walgreens Cash and call it a good deal. We have a buy two, get one for free on the various single-serve Hershey bars, and $4 for the Kisses. I know that we have a 2 off a 2 and a $1 off 2 IVC, making them $2.50 each. Very good deal. We also have this Nice Brand Magic Mix. Before I became pre-diabetic, I used to wolf this stuff down. It's the perfect balance of like M&Ms and salty and sweet. It is really good if you like trail mix. This one, my favorite, better than Planters. We also have 3 for $15.99 with the 7-Up. The price for one of these 12 packs is usually $9.49. So that is some savings. I am so happy I stopped drinking soda because that is so expensive. My goodness gracious, $9.49. And then closing this off, the $1.99 Walgreens brand toilet paper. I think it's very similar to Charmin, very good quality, and I'm definitely stocking up on these to throw into Christmas baskets for family and friends. Now, before I skedaddle off into the big sunset, I just want to talk about Walmart Black Friday deals. I made a video, and this ad is actually live right now. The Keurig for $35, that double pack of the crock pots, air pots for $69. Lots of these offers you can also get in store starting on the 10th, I believe. So you might want to check out this video if you are trying to get some deals for Black Friday. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.